Bravo Company Commander. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Micaela Faye Maghanon. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Yusuf Hatab, Color Officer. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Siti Norin Busara.
Namlit. Sabi ka.
Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Darwin Ascalani, Alpha Company 3rd Platoon Leader. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Fatima Aisha Adja. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Gabriel Beliganyo, Alpha Company 2nd Platoon Leader. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Dermalin Ismael. Cadet Lieutenant Junior Grade Halima Samir, Alpha Company 1st Platoon Leader. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Junior Grade Urima Rain Julkipli. Cadet Lieutenant Junior Grade Gibran Abdul Patah, Alpha Company XO. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Junior Grade Nelda Asula. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Saeed Abubakar Amin, Alpha Company Commander. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Shenarti Amin. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Andre Abdullah, Battalion N5. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Frega Ayesa Ripi. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Shana Day Musa, Battalion N4. With her sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Princess Ayeza Zorabi. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Elwina Abdullah, Battalion N3. With her sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Liza Faye Origi. Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Misha Iana P, Battalion N2. With her sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Zeha Terasa. Andre Anches, Battalion Adjutant. With this sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Senior Grade Lancey Sauer Hatta. Battalion Commander. With her sponsor, Cadet Lieutenant Commander Riznika Farida Jusis.
Dapat pilay ko hindi eh. Ba, dapat pilay ko hindi eh. Nambila.